Good morning, all the students of. Sorry. Good morning, all the students of third standard. We have completed our 13th lesson. 13th lesson, that is Delhi. Unit 3rd, 13th lesson Delhi. We have completed, and along with that, some question answers we have seen through these lessons. Now do this. In this question number 1 and question number 2 we have completed, and I told you to complete question answers. What are the answers I told you? Have we completed these answers in your notebook? Have you written this in your notebook? No, I know that you haven't written in your notebook. With me, our one friend is here in our class to join. Can you see her? Okay. So we will see the next one question. Circle the correct answer. This one you will see. Why you haven't completed homework? I told to everyone to complete the homework and send me the photos, but nobody has completed, or nobody has sent me the photos there. So how can I how can I understand that you are doing the works or you are following us? Whatever the work we are giving you, you should complete, and you should send the photo of your answers with your name. Okay. So we will see the next question here. Circle the correct answer. This we will see. In this, the question number first. Delhi is situated on the banks of the river Ganga, Tapi, Yamuna, which is the correct answers that you have to be find out. So I will show you the question here. Delhi is situated on the river Ganga, Tapi and Yamuna, which is the correct answer. That answers we have to be circle. So here answer is of Yamuna. Here we can see the Yamuna river is there on the bank of the river Yamuna. Can you see the Yamuna river is here? Here also we can see that Delhi is located on the bank of the river Yamuna. So what is our first answer? Correct answer Yamuna. So this word you have to be circle here. Delhi is situated on the bank of the river Yamuna is our correct answer. So this one you have to be circle. Okay. Next one. Okay. Next one question is Uttar Pradesh and dash Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana lie along side Delhi. So what is Uttar Pradesh? So Uttar Pradesh also we can call as a UP. Yogi Adityanath, he is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. I think you have heard his name in a news channel also. Have you heard Yogi's name? Yogi Adityanath? Don't know. So Uttar Pradesh and Bihar is one option, Madhya Pradesh is one option, and Haryana is options. Out of three, one country means one state lie alongside of the Delhi. So answer is Haryana. Haryana border attached with Delhi. UP border is also attached with Delhi, and Haryana border is also attached with Delhi. So here we have to circle with the word Haryana. Third one question. The cabinet minister, prime minister and the president lives at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So what is the correct answer here? Who lives at the Rashtrapati Bhavan? President will live, prime ministers will live, or the cabinet ministers will live? Who lives at Rashtrapati Bhavan? Who lives at Rashtrapati Bhavan? So answer is the president lives at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Who lives at Rashtrapati Bhavan? President of our country. He lives at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Remember this one answer. President. So circle to the word president. Next. The gateway, the gateway of India or Rajpath or India Gate is built in honor of the Indian soldiers, which region or the area is built in honor of Indian soldiers? So here India Gate. India Gate is our correct answer. The Gateway of India or Rajpath or India Gate. Out of this, one answer is there. India Gate is our answer. So we'll circle here to the India Gate. Is built in honor of Indian soldiers. To be honor, in the honor of Indian soldiers, India Gate was built in Delhi. The next question. So in this way we have completed our 4 questions. You see, one more time I'll read. Delhi is situated on the bank of the river Yamuna is our correct answer. Circle to the word Yamuna. Uttar Pradesh and Haryana lie alongside Delhi. So Haryana is our answers. We have to circle with Haryana words. The president lives at Rashtrapati Bhavan. President is our correct answer. So we have to circle here to the word president. The India Gate is built in honor of Indian soldiers. So India Gate is our correct answer. So we have to circle with the word India Gate. Okay. Otherwise say that India Gate Basmati rice. No, India Gate Basmati rice not India Gate is one buildings or a big monument is there. Building is there in honor of Indian soldiers. It is built. I will show the photo of India Gate also here. See India Gate like in this way in the honor of Indian soldiers. This India Gate was built at Delhi. Okay. So in this way these are the questions are there. Next question, name the following. Question number 4 is there. Name the following. A fort built of red stone. What is the name of the fort which is built by red stone or built with red stone? Red colors. Do you know red color? Red color stones are used to build the fort. So which fort is there at Delhi which is built by the red stone? So that fort name is a Red Fort. What is the name of that fort? Red Fort. Lal Killa. From the Red Fort. On the Red Fort only Indian Prime Ministers he hosted the Indian tricolor flags also there. Red Fort on Independence Day. Next one. A metal pillar which has not yet rusted. Which is the metal pillar? A metal pillar which has not yet rusted. Up to now that metal pillar is not rusted. So that iron pillar is there in front of the Qutub Minar. Iron pillar is there. That iron pillar yet it is not rusted, and this pillar is built by Qutbuddin Aibak. So here next to it an iron pillar is there which is of 7 meters high and has stood for thousands of years and has not yet rusted. This one. Next question. So temple shaped like a lotus. Which temple is shaped like a lotus? So answers we can say here. Bhai temple. Here Gurudwara Bangla Sahib and the famous Bhai temple. Bhai temple is our answer. Bhai temple which is shaped like a lotus. So what is our answers? The temple which is built like a lotus shape. Then answers we can write as a Bhai temple is built in a lotus shape. Bhai temple is our answer. So like in this way today we have seen the question, completed the question answer of third and question and the answers of the fourth question. So these 2 question answers we have to write in your notebook. It is your homework. and after writing you have to send me the photos. At least minimum 2 times you have to write these answers. Okay, bye bye. I will stop my video. Bye bye.